Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll learn about conditional statements in C language, one of the most important topics in the C programming language. By the end of this video, you will understand all types of conditional statements with syntax, example programs, and outputs. In real life, we make decisions every day. For example, checking if it's raining before we step out. Similarly, in the programming language, we use conditional statements to make decisions and control the flow of the programming language depending upon the certain conditions. In conditional statements, there are 5 types. First one is if statements. The if statement tests a condition. If the condition is true, the block of the code inside it executes. If it's false, that block is skipped. For example, here is a simple program that compares two numbers a and 5. We will check if a is greater than 5 using if statement. Here we declare to an integer variable a is equals to 5. So next we use if statement, and here we write the condition as if a is greater than 5, then print the true block statement as a is greater than 5. Now let's trace the if statement program. First we assign the value a is equals to 10. Then the condition checks that if the condition is true, then the true block of code will execute. As the condition is true, it prints as a is greater than the 5. So the output is a is greater than 5. The if-else statement provides two possible paths. If the condition is true, the true block runs. If false, the other one runs. The example we took here, the syntax is this. The example we took here is this. We declared a number is equals to 8, and this is the condition for the if statement, and if this if statement condition is true, directly this if true block of the code executes. If the if statement condition is false, then else statement block of the code will execute. Here we assign number is equals to 8. Then the 8 divided by 2 is equals to 0. If this is true, if 8 percentile 2 is equal to 0, the true block of the code, the if statement true block of the code will execute. If this statement is false, condition is false, then the else statement will execute. As you can see, the condition is true, so else block is skipped and if block is executed. So the output is even number. Now let's see else if ladder. When you have more than 2 conditions, you can use else if ladder. It checks each condition one by one until it becomes true. This is the syntax of the else if ladder. The example program is this. We declared marks is equals to 75. Since marks is equals to 75, the output is grade B, as we gave if statement condition is marks is greater than or equal to 90, but we assign the value like 75. So else if block condition is true, so the else if statement block of the code will execute. So the output is grade B, and the next else nested if else will be skipped. And the next one is else if ladder. We already discussed it. And the next one is nested if. Nested if means one if statement inside the another one. It's used when one condition depends on the another one. We declared two variables, integer types, a is equals to 10, b is equals to 20. If a is greater than less than, or if a is less than b, this block it enters into if block. Step 1, a is equals to 10, b is equals to 20. Step 2, a is less than or less than b. So here a is less than b, so this is true. The control enters into the if statement. And so this condition is also true, so it executes a is smaller and not 0. Switch statement. The switch statement is useful when a single variable needs to be compared with multiple constant values. So here we declared day is equals to 3. So here we switch of day. So day is equals to 3. So since day is equals to 3, it switches to this case 3 and prints the output as Wednesday. Let's summarize what we have learned. If executes a block only if the condition is true. If else adds an alternate block. Else if handles multiple conditions in order. Nested if also allows multiple checks inside one another. Switch is best for checking one variable against many constants. That's all for today's topic on conditional statements in C. Thank you everyone.